Are you wondering how to stop your smoke alarm from chirping? So if it's chirping, it means either of two things. Either your battery is about to run out, or also you have actually reached the expiration date of a unit and you should actually replace the whole unit. Okay, so after you change the battery, how do you actually get it to stop chirping then? So what you have to do is when you are changing the battery on these smoke alarms, so after you take out your old battery, before you insert your new battery, you have to actually reset this unit. Otherwise it will still keep chirping, as it actually has got internal capacitors that are still able to hold a bit of power and run this unit in case of emergency, I guess, or if the battery disconnects or any stuff like that. So to reset basically this unit, you simply have to either press the test button and hold it, or simply look for any buttons on your smoke alarm. I'm not sure if you could see, it basically blinked as you see. Not sure if you could see in the video, but yeah, so you see it's still working without battery. So you simply press and hold the test button or whatever button you have on your smoke alarm for maybe like 30 seconds, and that will clear all the energy stored still on it and will reset. Okay, once you hold for like 30 seconds, then you can insert the new battery inside and hopefully it should stop chirping. But yeah, if you insert a fresh battery and it still keeps chirping, again I suggest you to look for any expiration dates either on the side or the back. So again, these units have like special sensors that can kind of understand if it's past basically its expiration date, and then again it will chirp to indicate that you should change the unit. So either the chirping means the unit has expired or also the battery. Also, for example, this particular unit over here actually even states on the back that it will still keep chirping for maybe like 10 minutes, essentially after either like it feels battery is off, or also it feels something is off with a sensor. So again, if you change the battery on this exact type of maybe brand, again you might simply have to leave your unit for maybe like 10 minutes, and then it also might stop chirping. But again, so if you're wondering if there's any way how to stop it chirping without actually replacing the battery, then obviously nope, it will still detect it's like low battery and it will still chirp. The only way then is to simply remove the battery altogether and leave it somewhere. So, but yeah, obviously then it's not working. Okay, good luck.